Good morning, Jehovah's Witnesses.
Hello, I don't need to speak to somebody. Could you give your elders a message?
I beg your pardon?
Could you give your elders a message for me?
You've called the switchboard.
Yeah, no,
No,
it's all right. What I'm going to do, I'm going to send a document, 59-page document, to 7 branch officers, yours and the headquarters, and I'm also sending it to 200 news media stations that prove that my son, based on the Turin Shroud, is Jesus Christ in the flesh. And what the nations are going to do, it's going to fulfill Isaiah chapter 13, where Jehovah will bring a nation against the Watchtower, Babylon the Great. And this will happen on the 14th of March, which will begin a psychological Armageddon against the Watchtower. Who do you say I am, sister? Is it?
I don't know who you
I'm
are.
Jehovah God Almighty, the Alpha and Omega. I came down. Ha ha! They got scared again. Incredible, isn't it? Oh, I'm putting the wind up him. Ha ha! Look, she's run away again like they all do. Ha ha!